Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you have connected your headphone through your mobile Bluetooth and you are unable to hear the sound in your Bluetooth, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just turn your Bluetooth off and turn it on again and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just long press on your Bluetooth icon, then tap on more Bluetooth setting. Here select your Bluetooth, tap on these settings, just tap on disconnect, then try to connect it again, then check it is working or not. Still it is not working, then you can just forget it, then tap on forget device. Now then go back, long press on your Bluetooth, search for your Bluetooth device, just turn your Bluetooth off and turn it on again through your Bluetooth earbud. Just tap on more Bluetooth device, then select your Bluetooth, then check. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just tap on the settings, scroll down. Here you will find shortcut and accessibility, tap on this, scroll down again, tap on accessibility. In this you need to find audio adjustment. In top you can see mono audio. You have to just enable this option, then close this window. After that, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Bluetooth connected but no sound on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.